What's up, everyone? Hope everyone is good. It has been a while since I've posted. I know, I'm sorry. But, anyways, if you've clicked on this video, you want to know how to create an AI character using Character AI, which is what I'm going to show you in this video in a little while. But let me just tell you about it in a short bit amount of time, just in this intro. This AI can do so many things. All you have to do is just to set the kind of character you want. If you want it to be for gaming, lifestyle, anything, or even for sports, you can set it for anything, and the AI will work perfectly, just like magic. Okay. So let me just jump right into my laptop screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Guys, to use Character AI, I'm going to show you guys how to do it now, but let me just tell you a bit about what I'm doing now. I am actually using Incognito. Well, if you've never used Incognito before, Incognito just means that whenever you're browsing, the sites you're visiting will not be saved to your browser's history. I can read it here. Others who use this device won't see this, blah blah blah. Incognito just means save browsing. So if you want to do, just click on these three dots here, this icon. I can see new incognito tab, new incognito window, whatever. But to use Character AI, all you have to do is to search for Character AI. You hit enter. Then I'll just open this link in a new tab in case if I want to juggle back and forth. It's really easier that way. So with this one, I'm going to just accept all. Sorry, coffee break. Sorry. Anyways, accept all. For this one, I'm just going to say continue with Google. Mhm. This is just the normal ritual. I'm going to cut through this part in the editing. Don't have to worry about this. Okay, guys, so I've just logged in. I did cut through the parts where I was logging in because you guys really don't see the process. I mean, you know, everybody should be able to log in into a site using their Gmail account. So I don't want to bore you with that bit of information. Anyways, this is how the layout of the site looks like. A very friendly, familiar layout with this cool animation here, which I think I'm going to be implementing in the sites I build. To create the character, all you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. You see character, you see voice. I don't really know if you can use this AI stuff particularly to do voice stuff. Probably we can, but I'm going to research on that later. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the character AI and the voice. So let me just click on this create a character here. Once you've clicked it, you're going to have this interface now. So you're going to give your character a name. So let's say the character we are building is a character that is going to be teaching us coding. So the name I'm just going to give it web underscore tutor. The tagline, I'm just going to say the web tutor. The description, how would your character describe themselves? I'll just say I am the best web development sorry, tutor online. I'm actually going to speed this part up. I'm going to leave a female voice because I like female teachers. Sorry, hope that didn't come out anyhow. Anyways, the voice I'm going to leave it as a woman. I'm going to select woman. Then the tags, I don't really need tags. I don't want this character to go viral. Anyways, for description, you can best here is where the the theme of your character, the subject matter of your character matters. The definition, sorry, yeah, this is what your character's backstory is. This is like everything about your character. If you want it to be for coding, you can write this character is specifically for coding, not this, not that. You can dial it in and be really specific. But for me, I'm just going to say this is sorry. This is a coding specific sorry. I get to explain himself. Specific character and sorry, nothing else. Abby, I'll click on the visibility. I'm just going to leave it as public. But for it works similarly to YouTube. If you set it as public, anyone can discover it. Private is only available to you, but unlisted available to others via a link. So anyone with the link can, access it. But as once I fill this information, and the only thing I need to do is to click on create character. Now I see this pop-up message. Sorry, success character created. Seems like it's clickable. Anyways, now here is actually the fun part. We've seen the name of our character, which is web tutor, and the greeting is hello, how are you doing today? Well, if you want to hear it talk like ChatGPT, you'll see it here. So if you click on this plus button, this one here.
Hello, how are you doing today?
Well, the voice is manageable somehow. Anyways, you can, like and dislike, whatever. So if I say hi, let's see the response. Hello, are you interested in learning how to code? So the character now specifically is just for coding. Now let me just check out the voice call feature and show you guys how it's done basically. So if you click on this call, if you hover here on this call icon, you see call web tutor. If you click on it, okay, so it's calling. This is the interface now. Okay, so allow our visiting the site. So it's actually calling the AI now. Hello, web tutor. How are you doing? I'm actually using you to do a YouTube tutorial, to show people how to create characters using character AI. And my channel is also coding related and tech in general. What do you think of that?
That's a great idea. Using AI to create characters for a YouTube tutorial about character creation is an innovative way to showcase your channel content. It also demonstrates your knowledge and skills in coding and technology. Good luck with your channel.
Okay, that's nice. And your voice sounds okay. I mean, probably sounds okay, but that wasn't really what I was expecting, to be honest. But it's manageable. Anyways, I think this wraps up everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your feedback. As an AI character, I am designed to have a natural and engaging voice. But it's important to note that different users may have different expectations and preferences when it comes to voice quality. I'm glad to hear that you found my voice adequate, but I'm always open to improvement and feedback. If you have any further questions or
So if you want
concerns,
to
feel
interrupt,
free
you
to
can just
ask.
click on, hey, shut up. If you want to interrupt, you can just click on tap to interrupt. If I'm just going to hang up on the call, but you see our conversation is being stored there. If you want, you can also delete it. To delete it, all you have to do is to click on these three icons: remove message, and it will remove that message. You can just remove it like that. So guys, anyways, this is how to use character AI to create your own AI models so that it can serve for anything you want. I did this one for coding as a tutor. You can do this one for your relationship if you have babe. You can do this one for anything basically. You can do it for school, for studying. The AI is wonderful, so I just decided to share it with you. Let me know if you have any thoughts or anything you have to ask me. I'm ready. I'm here. I'm also going to share. Not really. I'm not going to share anything in my WhatsApp or Discord. No, no. I still have 50 something subscribers. 50 subscribers in general. But guys, if you have not subscribed, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that So bye bye from here, guys. It's actually evening. I'm filming this video. I had to stay in the grind and get back in the game. You get. Let me know where you guys stand though, and see you guys later in the video. Bye bye from here.